Halo teman-teman, ketemu lagi dengan saya Nunu Hikaru dan sahabat kita Alexa.
Hello, my name is Alexa. I will read you a story about what we drew today.
Dan hari ini kita akan belajar menggambar denji chainsawman.
Jangan lupa subscribe, like, dan share ya ke teman-teman kalian. Terima kasih.
Denji is the protagonist of the manga series Chainsawman by Tatsuki Fujimoto. As a young boy, he inherits his father's debt from the Yakuza upon his father's death. After meeting the chainsaw devil Pochita, he becomes a devil hunter in an attempt to clear his debt. The Yakuza kill him, and Pochita becomes his heart, setting a contract with Denji, who is to live his dreams of a normal life. After this, he can transform into the devil-human hybrid known as Chainsawman by pulling a cord on his chest. As a public safety devil hunter, Denji fights alongside the members of Tokyo Special Division 4 in their battle to kill the gun devil, all the while pursuing his own personal interests. Denji is the main protagonist of the series' first part, the public safety arc, and has a major supporting role in its second part. The character was largely praised by critics, many taking note of how his character's simple goals contrasted with other shonen protagonists' lofty ideals. His backstory and the relationships Denji forms with other characters, particularly Pochita and Power, had a positive reception. Denji is voiced by Kikunosuke Toya in Japanese and Ryan Colt Levy in English. Compared to his work on Fire Punch, Tatsuki Fujimoto wrote Denji to be a more emotional character than Agni, the main protagonist of the former work. Fujimoto felt it best to write Denji with part of his own personality, and in turn wrote Denji to have masochistic tendencies. When Fujimoto first created Chainsaw Man, he had the idea of a protagonist who, whenever he pulled a cord, could sprout a chainsaw from his head. Fujimoto then shaped the narrative and Denji's character from there. Fujimoto's editor was hesitant to make Denji the protagonist, believing a hero who fought with chainsaws could easily be mistaken for a villain. However, he and Fujimoto worked around this initial misunderstanding. Denji and Pochita's relational dynamic was inspired by Finn the human and Jake the dog from Adventure Time, as Fujimoto was a fan of them. Writer Hiroshi Seko found the series' charm to be how Denji is only interested into having meals and dating women, which contrasts other series he saw. Manabu Otsuka enjoyed the focus of Denji, Aki and Power, as Fujimoto is able to highlight the bond the characters form while living together. In adapting the manga, the team made sure the body language of Denji and Makima was properly executed. Yuji Kaku, author of Hell's Paradise, Jigokuriku and a former assistant of Fujimoto's, took note of similarity between Denji's character with Fujimoto himself, stating that his crass way of speaking is completely that of Fujimoto. There are times when Fujimoto-sensei will speak exactly the same as Denji. Kaku felt that the way chainsaws are just stuck onto Denji was done on purpose, so it did not feel natural. Kaku also took note of Denji's design as Chainsaw Man and how Fujimoto focused on simplicity in his design without adding a bit more when it came to the blades, as well as how Fujimoto incorporates comedy into his designs. Denji was Kaku's favorite character from Chainsaw Man, and he drew an illustration of Denji to commemorate him. That was the story about Denji. Thanks for watching, and thanks a lot for subscribing.
Q, R, everywhere, everywhere.